Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to show you how to check in for your Delta Airlines flight online. This process lets you secure your boarding pass ahead of time and breeze through the airport without waiting in long lines at the check-in counter. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to delta.com. Once the homepage loads, direct your attention to the top menu bar where you'll see several options. Click on Check-in to begin the online check-in process. You'll now be presented with a form asking for your flight information. In the confirmation number field, type your 6-character confirmation number. You can also use your ticket number if you have that instead. Once you've entered it, click the red button to proceed to the next screen. Now, since I don't have an actual ticket number ready for this demonstration, let me walk you through what happens next. After clicking that red button, you'll see an option that says Find Flight. Go ahead and click on it. This will pull up your flight details from Delta's system. If you have multiple flights booked or if there are several passengers on your reservation, you may see a list appear. Simply select the specific flight you want to check in for from that list. This ensures you're checking in for the correct journey. Next, you'll be asked to confirm passenger details. Take a moment to review the travel information displayed on your screen to make sure everything matches your reservation. This is important because any discrepancies could cause issues at the airport. You may then be prompted to select or confirm your seat. If you're happy with your current seat assignment, you can choose No Seat Change and move forward. However, if you'd like to pick a different seat, now's the time to do it. If you need to check any bags, the system will ask you to add them at this stage. Click on Add Bags and follow the prompts to select how many bags you're checking and complete the payment for any baggage fees that apply. Delta will also present you with some security questions. You'll need to confirm things like whether you're carrying hazardous materials or other prohibited items. Answer these honestly and click to continue. Now take a moment to review your complete itinerary and boarding pass details on the screen. Make sure your flight time, gate information if available, and personal details are all correct. Once everything looks good, click on Get Boarding Pass. This finalizes your check-in and generates your boarding pass. Finally, you'll have the option to download your boarding pass, email it to yourself, add it to your mobile wallet, or print a physical copy. Choose whichever method works best for you. I recommend adding it to your mobile wallet so you always have it handy on your phone. And that's it. You've successfully checked in for your Delta flight online and have your boarding pass ready to go. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.